How to use Uber driver app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to first search for Uber driver on your Play Store or App Store, and after that you need to install this application. After that, you need to set up your account by providing your information, your driver's license, and all the other stuff that the application will ask for. After giving out all your information and setting up your account, you would be good to go. After that, you can simply earn the amount that you would be earning, and you can cash that particular amount out in your bank account. And you have to just simply log into your application wherever the location you want to start at, and after that you need to accept all the riders in your locality or people around you, and you would get them. You would be able to check out how far that particular rider is. Just simply accept their information and accept their ride, and after that you can simply pick that particular person up, then drop that particular person up, and this way you would be able to make the money. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.